Hello and welcome to SKTV. This is Afternoon English News. First, the headlines. HSLC exam 2025 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur declared with 91.37% pass percentage. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi convenes high-level security meeting ahead of talks between Directors General of Military Operations of India and Pakistan. And Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and BJP Manipur Pradesh paid tribute to BSF Constable Deepak Chingakham, martyred in cross-border firing in Jammu. And now the news in detail. Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM declared the result for High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2025 today. A total of 37,052 enrolled for the exam and 36,943 appeared, while a total of 33,755 students passed the HSLC examination 2025 with overall pass percentage of 91.37%. Among the government schools, the pass percentage was recorded to be 82.32%, while in aided schools, 91.38% passed the exam, and for private schools, the pass percentage was recorded to be at 91.37%. Among the districts, Chandel recorded 100% pass percentage, followed by Bishnopra district with 96.67%, Kaching district with 95.52%, and Churchanpur with 94.44 pass percentage. During the conduct of the examination, results of 3 candidates were cancelled for involvement in impersonation, while the results of 9 candidates were withheld. The pass percentage dropped by about 2% from previous year. In 2024, the pass percentage was 93.03%, and this year it is 91.37%. Speaking in the result declaration program, Secretary of Education S. Pravin congratulated successful candidates and also appealed to students who could not clear the exam to not get disheartened and to put in more hard work. He also urged BOSEM to make the HSLC examination fair and transparent. Director of Education S. N.G. Bhugendra, Chairman of BOSEM Akham Joy Kumar, along with other members from BOSEM, graced the result declaration program. Prime Minister Narendra Modi convened a high-level security meeting this morning at his residence ahead of scheduled talks between Directors General of Military Operations (DGMOs) of India and Pakistan. The meeting was attended by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan, and the Chiefs of Army, Navy and Air Force. The strategic discussion follows a recent agreement between India and Pakistan to cease all military actions across land, air and sea, which came into effect on May 10th. The development comes after weeks of heightened tensions triggered by the April 22nd Pahalgam terror attack and India's subsequent Operation Sindoor, which targeted terror camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The operation reportedly resulted in elimination of over 100 terrorists, including several high-value targets. During the meeting, Prime Minister Modi emphasized the need for continued high vigilance along the borders. He directed the military leadership to respond decisively to any acts of aggression and reiterated India's firm commitment to a zero-tolerance policy against terrorism. He also emphasized the importance of clearly conveying this stance during the DGMO's level talks. The DGMO dialogue, set to take place later today, will mark the second formal conversation since the recent flare-up. The talks are expected to focus on ensuring effective implementation of ceasefire agreement and establishing mechanisms to prevent future escalations. Meanwhile, Airports Authority of India (AAI) has announced reopening of 32 airports across northern and western India for civil aviation operations immediately. It may be mentioned that these airports had been temporarily closed due to escalating military tensions between India and Pakistan earlier this month. Among the airports now cleared for operations are Srinagar, Amritsar, Jammu, Udhampur and Ambala. The suspension of services was initiated on May 9th as precautionary measure following India's May 7th airstrikes on terror camps across the border and subsequent retaliatory shelling by Pakistan. The sudden suspension had disrupted travel plans for thousands of passengers and caused logistical challenges for airlines and cargo carriers. With tensions now appearing to de-escalate, lifting of restrictions marks a significant step toward the normalization of civilian air traffic in the region. However, AAI has urged passengers to stay updated with individual airlines regarding flight statuses, as schedules may take time to stabilize. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC and BJP Manipur Pradesh condoled the death of BSF Constable Deepak Chingakham, who was martyred in cross-border firing in Pura sector of Jammu region on May 10th. Deepak Chingakham, who hails from Imphal East District's Yaripok Yambem, died on the line of duty. Mourning the death of the brave soldier, BJP State President Adhikari Mahim Sharda Devi said, Deepak Chingakham was a proud son of Manipur and his courage and devotion reflect the unwavering spirit and commitment of the Manipuri people. The BJP chief wrote that people of Manipur and the country stand with his family and comrades in this time of grief. His sacrifice will not be forgotten. On the other hand, MPCC President Kasham Meghachandra also condoled the demise of Constable Deepak Chingakham of the Border Security Force and asserted that Constable Deepak Chingakham served the nation with unwavering dedication and remarkable courage. His valiant actions in the line of duty reflect the highest ideals of patriotism and sacrifice. The people of Manipur and indeed the entire nation are proud of his bravery and commitment. We will remember him for his supreme sacrifice for our motherland. Manipur will complete 3 months under President's rule tomorrow. But so far, there is no sign of any positive consensus among MLAs to claim for formation of a popular government. Amid the uncertainty and lack of clarity, Kairao MLA Lorimbam Rameshwar has indicated struggle for the post of Chief Ministers among the MLAs. MLA Lorimbam Rameshwar said this on the sideline of a religious event which he was attending at Leing today. Speaking to media, Lorimbam Rameshwar said ruling party and its allies have required number of MLAs to form a government, and it is up to the MLAs to fulfill the wishes of people by abandoning their personal interests and ambitions. The decisive actions of these MLAs who represent the people will help in regaining the trust of public and in leaving a lasting legacy.
Hojikti hum sujale koi di gamme se majority nam lai bine ni kunna koi rolling lem ti five lem ama legi da 50 pound an ki tara kha koi lem ho ri koi kha pulaga koi ni da machine so ni tan siam da reng siam ya jan an ji matung da dum lo da pira lai kana ko majority level ka se ya we koi level ti ngai koi mai tai ya ma ha ba khu ma ta ngai ba si mi sa woni me am ba saka siam ba de bot mai tem ku kin loi pam ne khala chu ma tam je aduga yam tuna ko highway sa pe alam sati ha ta normal silang hono bodo ani mo ka phone sang yan lo baro no koi ta bag lai ko ye mele sing je ai ai cha ge ba ko je thadung no kan da le ba ki kan da yam tun chema di mi yam ko je pana sona ga ne lo.
The worldwide celebration of International Nurses Day at its premise on Rims Road today. During the celebration, which was led by renowned urologist Dr. Sinam Rajendra, nurses of the hospital were presented a memento containing the portrait of Florence Nightingale as encouragement. Wankhai MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar inaugurated the newly constructed office of Wall United Youth Club at Wankhai Angomlekai today. Addressing the inauguration function, MLA Tej Arun Kumar emphasized the importance of establishing a local club or Mairapaibi office at every locality. He added that clubs and Mairapaibis took a huge role in confronting any issues of the state. The MLA also maintained that he can see people of the area uniting and working together to operate Wall United Youth Club. Further, MLA Tej Arun Kumar said that he has been putting efforts to take up development projects at his constituency. However, the efforts have been hindered by the ongoing conflict. The MLA further assured to fully put his effort into developing the constituency once a popular government is formed.
Club ama lay bakanda yam tangai padana office ama lay bisri yam maru ibra ina khanjar kanda ikoi lejeri ba club ki members sing do lekai element singa tana jar kanda hoji building ju construction chu loi rabani na masida office ama padana hangdoga yam office ki bearer sing kari kari gumba issue ama do wa khanna ba kanda nungai na ba aduga official loi ba documents bu thammasu te thabak thorom bu tawrabasu nungai na ba ina club ki Dugumba office ama singwa sagana bagi wakalon da masigi club secretary singwa chabani.
Bishnopra MLA Govindas Konthozam has called for mutual support among the people in his constituency to produce productive members in the constituency. He was speaking on the sidelines of felicitating Dr. Haisnam Nungshi Babu, who has been awarded Doctor of Philosophy in Physics by Manipur University at Ibudo Oknaral Temple, Ningthokong today. Speaking further, the MLA urged the localities to strive towards excelling in different fields and to produce more numbers of human resources in the constituency.
Doctor ukil adi dupi Leing record
Leing Youth Development Organization Lido felicitated newly elected members of all Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju at Children Home located at Leing Chingmairong yesterday. The function was attended by Leing Kanbalo President Maimom Anil Maitei, Lido executive members and women folk. During the function, Lido advisor Malim Ningthauja traced the beginning of Leing dwelling to 1940, stating that the first dwellers in the colony were a group of leprosy patients who had been stigmatized by the society. He also expressed concern on the eviction plan at the colony. Amju President Asem Bhakta assured to extend every possible help from the Journalists Union to address the grievances of the residents of Leing Khol. Botany Department of DM College of Science, a college under Dhanamanjuri University, has organized first International Day for Plant Health today. The event was attended by DM College of Science Principal Professor KSH Birbal, Department of Environmental Science HOD Professor Koijam KK Manibhushan and Department of Botany Associate Professor Dr. T.H. Sobita. Speaking at the event, GP Women's College's Botany Assistant Professor Dr. N. Bijaya emphasized that plants also need to grow up healthy. She also highlighted the need to conduct researches by research scholars to safeguard plants and the need to spread awareness to the public. Further, Dr. N. Bijaya also expressed gratitude to the officials of DMU who gave a green light to organize the event.
International for Plant Health haiba thimsigi magi observation hekhoi di botany department na pangthok sabane hai river thimsi pangthoi bagi maram se masida vesal je plant health haiba sida akoina mioi bana pambi singbu masa ma u phana thamba adagi makhoi singbu ngakpi senbi ba asigumba da ves tawbane ado mioi ba singsina asuk yamna kana ba loriba plant singse makhoi kadi tawrige makhoi gi living standard sida plant singsibu singwa libra moisina disease pa ibra makhoi gi mahibarong se na paribra aduga disease myamna tawraga mogi product se kari leigi habase akoi miyoibana amata bu ningsingna bas ingam ngamna de adubo ngasidi hairiba awareness program se akoi miyoibana khoisu khango haiduna officer kangbuna sloin pira abani maramdi plan sing sibu akoina phajana ningthina ngak se logdaba tarabadi nongma akoi chi chinjak watpagi adagi hingbangam daba adagi chinjak leitabagi asuki mati achoba lanjaw amala ani.
And it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV.
Admission open for 2025-26 session at National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Nelit, Imphal, Akampat. University courses: MTech CSE in AI, MCA, MSc IT, MSc Bioinformatics, BCA, BSc Computer Science, PGDCA, O-Level IT and CHMT, Diploma in Computer Science and Engineering, DCSE, Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering, DECE. Free course fee for SC/ST students. Last date to apply is 20 May 2025. For further details, please contact 8132062261. Register now.
Caesar Hospitals na keyhole surgery pangthorakpa chahi kungamapan mapung pharakpa kumonga mari leinana May tha manungda keyhole surgery da 10% mari leinaba investigation singda 15% amasung general ward bed charges da 20% discount phangbigani akupa marol pizariba mobile number natraga Caesar Hospitals tagi phangbigani.
Welcome back, and in further news, the age-old customary ritual of Ibudo Moirang Thangjing Harau Saksel Tamba was performed today. The ritual was led by Moirang MLA Thongam Shanti, Thangjing Seva Mandal along with priests and priestesses. They brought a pillar with 9 levels of sepil, a traditional form of flag of Manipur, from Moirang Panchang Lekai, Santi Mandop, and installed it in the temple of Ibudo Thangjing. This ritual was performed since ages to pray for the prosperity and harmony of the state. Ibudo Moirang Thangjing Lai Harauba, which was started on May 6th, will be conducted till June 8th. Thangjing Seva Mandal will also appeal to the public to attend the Lai Harauba. In a bid to inculcate in-depth knowledge about Sanamahi religion and promote rich cultural heritage of Manipur among masses, Kangra Library and Book Club Kangabok opened a book stall at the premise of Ikop Ningthau Haraubung located at Kangabok in Tawal district. The initiative gave a new taste of Lai Harauba to people, making the event more interesting and insightful. It also encouraged reading habits, among youths. Former Union Minister of State for Education Dr. R.K. Ranjan has today inaugurated a market mall which has a tea boutique, hobby and stationery store at Hari Plaza located at Ayampally, Chingamum Lekai in Imphal East. Speaking on the sidelines, Dr. Ranjan emphasized the need for educated youths to take up entrepreneurial works using their skills and knowledge instead of sitting idle in waiting for government jobs. He also said that such initiative will provide jobs to unemployed youths besides boosting economy. Retired IAS officer R.K. Nimai also attended the function.
Former Union Minister of State, Yamunanji Masanapa, Mamu Pigi, Kanani, Amana, Agandi, Sarapoti, Amana Saki, Saki, the Yamuri, and put the Fangasaki, CM plan, Tawama, food, Yamuni, the Lakan, the Yamuni experience, Sama, the the Masaki to preserve the Nakana, the Krasudum Tower people and the opposite, any heavy other rhythm the day.
Aigi sasing si aina thaba hapusung amde ada iton basi masu MTech computer engineering da ada gaming si am thawa yawba ada gaming si Manipur da yagadra yaroidra in khalling da magna Manipur da sugum basi introduce tawge da pare trial win tawrasi when sarkar ki thabak so high busung amoy adu pi busung amoy ni so ina hapusung amgi de ai matabda aduna Noina sa hingna ba tawro koina koi angle kitang leading is da moi masana khanjaraga ma ibe mana hana mayumda leading ki sa gi kari gi se business tawro pajane ja da ma gi ingredient tongan ba trade secrecy um tawga lakba adu ga pullaga mabani tawjaro ina tawbani adu ma ayam wa Japan gi adu ga China gi Singapore की करीबी मैम कंपनी में से मार टाइट अप तो बनी अदु पोर्ट्स वादु गुंबग नाकने हम बुलाइसी.
And in news just coming in, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the nation at 8 p.m. tonight. Manipur Mixed Martial Arts Association has congratulated CH Premchandra Longjam Mangalsana and B. Achoba Sharma on being selected as the new state directors of International Sport Kickboxing Association, India. CH Premchandra Longjam Mangalsana and B. Achoba Sharma were selected as State Combat Sport and Martial Arts Director for Manipur, State Combat Taekwondo Director for Manipur and State K1 Director for Manipur respectively. They were also presented relevant certificates by ISKA India Director Mrutyunjoy Roy. Kadazit Youth Welfare Association Kiwak Wabagai has sealed the title of Kiwak Trophy 5-Men Night Football Tournament hosted by Kiwak at its ground located at Wabagai Kadazit. In the final match of the tournament, Kiwak beat Tangkham Laipuba FC Pangai 3-2 in the penalty shootout. The winner received 1 lakh rupees along with the trophy, while the runners-up team walked away with 60,000 rupees along with the trophy. Kwakithil Thiam Laikai Badminton Association, under the sponsorship of Manipur State Badminton Association, will organize first state-level Masters Veteran Badminton Tournament 2025 from 21st till the 25th of this month at the Badminton Hall of the association. Entry forms can be submitted until 6 p.m. of 17th May. The tournament will feature both singles and doubles categories in the age group of 35 to 60. 15 cricketers from Manipur will take part in the Northeast Rising Cup Under 15 Girls Cricket Tournament 2025, which will be held from May 13 to 20 in 2 cricket grounds in Guwahati. A total of 8 teams will participate in the tournament, which will be organized under the aegis of Assam Cricket Association. Manipur and Assam will play in the opening match of the tournament at ACA Cricket Stadium, Fulung, North Guwahati tomorrow. The captain and vice captain of Manipur team will be Laishram Bigyapati and Vivian Laishram, while Samukcham Robertson, Rajiv Sarumbam, Joita Furailatpam and Wahengbam Kunjabihari will be the manager, team coach, assistant coach and trainer respectively. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Nagaland are in the Group A, while Tripura, Sikkim, Meghalaya and Mizoram belongs to Group B. And that is all we have for now, but before we end, here are the headlines once again. HSLC exam 2025 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur declares results with 91.37% pass percentage. Prime Minister Modi convenes a high-level security meeting ahead of talks between Directors General of Military Operations of India and Pakistan. And Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and BJP Manipur Pradesh paid tribute to BSF Constable Deepak Chingakham, martyred in a cross-border firing in Jammu. In a short while from now, Luchingbe is bringing you afternoon Manipuri news. Stay tuned.